Hey guys, at BV Matson here, and a little different video today. I was really struggling to find a part for this 1972 CL350, and I gotta say, the online communities and the groups, especially Facebook groups, can be really awesome. So one in particular, the CB350 owners group on Facebook is pretty fantastic. I was really struggling to find these parts. What I was lacking were the seals for the air filters, these air filter seals that go onto the thing. I searched everywhere online, couldn't find them. Anywhere I would find them, out of stock, not available. So I headed over to the Facebook group and I just posted a picture of the part that I needed, and lo and behold, man, there were probably well over 20 different comments that came through, and people were offering up suggestions and help. And one guy in particular actually had the part I needed. These are what I needed, these air filter seals that go on the ends of the tubes on the battery box. You know what I'm talking about if you've ever seen that. But anyway, these are really freaking hard to find, all right? And I commented, or I left a post on the channel, and a guy commented back. He's like, yeah, I got a couple of them. I was like, dude, you're my hero. What do you got to have for them? All right. And the guy goes, hey, you know what? Make a donation to a charity of your choice, and I'll just mail them to you. I'm like, done. Absolutely done. The idea of just giving me these. Now, honestly, like, people are probably getting $20 each for these. They're super hard to find. And for the guy to just, didn't want the money himself. He was just like, make a donation to something. So that's exactly what I did, and they showed up today. So that's exactly what I did. I went to Children's Attention Home Network and dropped a donation at attentionhome.org. And there it was. Again, the Honda CL CB350 Twin Owners Group on Facebook is fantastic. So yeah, with that, I'd just like to say thanks to Matt. Matt, thanks for helping me out, and I'm glad you gave me the opportunity to give back in order to get these air filter seals. So the one thing I've really been blown away by is just how helpful the online communities are. When you run into a stumbling block, it doesn't matter how simple a question or whatever, people are always willing to help and throwing in their 2 cents. And the thing is, people have been in your shoes, right? They've struggled with the same things, and there's answers for everything. I don't think I've seen a single question come across these groups and these different forums where somebody didn't have an answer. So if you're working on one of these bikes, go get into the communities. Go join the Facebook group. Go join the Honda Twin forums, I think, is another one that's a huge resource as well. Go get involved with the community. It's a great community. And again, Matt, you made my freaking year with these air filter seals. So I just wanted to share that story. People are pretty damn cool. If you guys enjoy the channel, please subscribe. Also follow along Instagram and Twitter. I got this motorcycle behind me, and it's starting to come together. Lots more videos on the way.